Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be talking about the 3 different ways to use rice water. Rice water contains inositol, which is a carbohydrate that repairs damaged hair. The inositol stays in the hair even after the rice is rinsed off, acting as a shield and protecting your hair from damage. Rice water also contains amino acids that strengthens the hair roots, increase hair volume, and make your hair shiny and smooth. One method for getting rice water is by boiling the rice. You can start off with 1 cup of any kind of rice that you like. I'll be using long grain white rice and rinsing it off with water to get rid of any type of impurities that could be on the rice. Then I'll add a little more water and bring it to a boil for 10 to 15 minutes. After it's done cooling down, you can add the remaining water that's left in the pot into any container or jar that you have, and it's ready to use. The second method is the plain rice water method. You start off by using 1 cup of any rice. Once again, rinsing with water to get rid of any impurities that could be left on the rice. And then you want to add about a cup of water to the rice and letting it sit from anywhere to 15 minutes to 2 hours. After that, it's ready to use. The third method, which is the most recommended one, is the fermented method. The fermenting method is about the same way as the plain rice water method, but instead of leaving it for 15 to 20 minutes, you leave it out for anywhere from 24 to 48 hours. Since I'll be letting the rice water sit in the mason jar for 48 hours, I'll be adding 3 drops of my rosemary essential oil to the water, so it won't have a sour smell when I open the jar. After 48 hours, the rice water has finished fermenting. You can either strain it and use the water to rinse your hair, or you can refrigerate it for up to 1 week so it can stop the fermenting process. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.